These meals aren't going to plan themselves. And as much as I wanted to, you know, like wing it, can't do that. It's a character flaw. I'm aware. Here we are again. Outside the fridge. I get a little bit of a game plan. A little bit. Mostly it's I looked in the freezer and I went, you gotta use that. So here I am. And here we are. Okay. So this is tomato paste. This is tomato paste that I just pulled out of the oven. I don't know why we have spicy chicken nuggets from McDonald's and a breakfast burrito, but I think I know what I'm having tomorrow. I got some gluten-free bread. It's always in the back. My almond milk from Costco. What I started drinking last night. Ooh, I have some Alfredo sauce. Cool. I have a little bit of milk, some cheese dip, some minced garlic. We'll move that. Yogurt. It's General Tso's. This is General Tso's sauce. And I still have that cacio e pepe sauce. I did find that I had that taco rice in the freezer, and I made some dried beans, not dried. So that's pumpkin oatmeal. This is an acai bowl. So that's breakfast. Okay, so trying this one. In here I have a salad mix. I have a hot dog. My husband bought some shredded cheese, which I'm just going to go with it. I have a couple carrots that I found in my garden, just growing. And some sauce, apparently. Or a salad dressing. This can go over here. I know. I have lots of cheese, bricks of cheese, slices of cheese, and chocolate. Well, I've got eggs here. And let's see what's in the freezer. Let's see. Ooh, smoked pork. There it is. I got lots of beef and veggies that we can kind of go with. I have one frozen pizza. This is all tomato paste. Smoothie packets. I have one of these dealies. That's orange chicken from Costco. And a bunch of frozen burritos. I think I have enough to make a plan. So I'm going to jot some ideas down. I know I'm going to do pulled pork. Is an idea. Veggie taco bowls. Hi, puppy. Or pork taco bowls. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then pulled pork sandwiches. What else should I do? I could do frozen pizza. Okay, so I think I have a game plan. Kind of. So, this is today, Columbus Day. This day we went out. This day we went out. I think I'm going to do frozen pizza. With salad. And then tomorrow we can have pulled pork, taco bowls. And then on Wednesday, we can make that a pulled pork sandwich. On Thursday, I have a lot of tomatoes coming. We'll have chili. And Friday, we'll do leftovers. Okay, so I got it. I got it. And I think I'm so proud of myself. So on Monday, we're going to have frozen pizza and salad. So that's today. Tuesday, pulled pork tacos. Wednesday, we'll have pulled pork sandwiches. Oh, and then actually I probably will have enough to make that chili pork and make it a pulled pork chili. And then Friday we'll do leftovers. I think I've got a game plan. So there it is. There is a meal plan. And you know, my goal is always to see how little additional money I can spend. I think I'm achieving the additional money. Or less additional money. Alright guys, so if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. We'll see you soon.